Hi, I am Chris Allen, aka Nobby from Deadbeat at Dawn. I've been playing the drums now for 28 years and I play the Collision 5Bs. I love the way the sticks feel in my hand. They are very well weighted and they are tough and take a beating, as I am a very heavy hitter. This is our song, Pushing Poison, from my band, Deadbeat at Dawn. Enjoy.
Gotta wish shades.